So hello everybody, today is our daily dose of maths problem number 3, and today we are going to solve this question. Solve for x plus square root of x plus 7 is equals 5. So we are going to start with obviously using the concept of domains, which means find out all the valid values of x. So now we know that this thing should be greater than or equal to 0. So this means we get x plus 7 is greater than or equal to 0. And when we put this x in the right hand side, we get equation as x plus 7 is equals 5 minus x, which means that as this term is greater than or equal to 0, this should be also the same. This means we get another condition 5 minus x is greater than or equal to 0. Okay, so this is our first condition and this is our second condition. We get x is greater than or equal to minus 7 from first condition and x is less than or equal to 5 from the second condition. So we get both common solutions would be ranging the x from minus 7 to 5. So this is our domain, all the valid values of x, possible values of x, so that our answer would be in between of these numbers. So now let's solve this equation. So we had x plus 7 is equals 5 minus x. We will use squaring both sides technique, and then we will get x plus 7 is equals 5 minus x square, which is equal to 25 plus x square minus 10x. Now if we simplify, we will get x square minus 11x plus 18 is equal to 0. I can write 18 as 9 into 2 and 11 as minus 9x minus 2x plus, and this is the form. So now I can say that my factors are x minus 9 into x minus 2 is equal to 0. Now I get my solution as x equal to 2 and 9. Now let's see our domain. Our domain was our x can be between minus 7 and 5. So this is a critical condition. So this means that as 9 is greater than 5, so this means this is our extra root, so this is not our solution, and this is in the range of minus 7 and 5, so this means that this is our solution. So x is equal to 2 is our answer.